DoorDash handles driver issues differently than you might expect. Understanding their approach is crucial for customers who encounter problematic drivers. The most important thing to understand is that DoorDash does not offer customers a direct way to block specific drivers. Instead, they rely on a comprehensive reporting system to address driver issues. When you report a problematic driver, DoorDash can take several actions. These include driver deactivation, reassigning the driver to different areas, or requiring additional training. The specific action depends on the severity and frequency of complaints. DoorDash has made significant improvements to their platform recently. They've enhanced the reporting system within the mobile app, implemented stronger background check requirements for drivers, and added real-time monitoring systems to track driver behavior. DoorDash has also updated their community guidelines to more clearly define inappropriate driver behavior. They've significantly reduced response times for safety-related complaints to just 12 to 24 hours and implemented a 3-strike system for drivers with repeated customer complaints. While you cannot directly block a driver on DoorDash, their comprehensive reporting system and recent improvements provide effective ways to address problematic drivers and ensure safer delivery experiences for all customers. When you need to report a problematic dasher, the DoorDash app provides a straightforward reporting process. Here's exactly how to do it, step by step. If you can't use the app, DoorDash provides several alternative ways to report driver issues. You can call customer support, use live chat, or send an email through their help center. It's important to know what behaviors warrant reporting. DoorDash takes these issues seriously and will investigate reports of safety violations, unprofessional conduct, delivery problems, privacy violations, and harassment. Prevention is always better than reporting. Here are essential safety tips to protect yourself during DoorDash deliveries. Use contactless delivery when possible. Provide clear delivery instructions and choose well-lit, secure locations. Most importantly, trust your instincts. If something feels unsafe during a delivery interaction, don't hesitate to take action. Keep emergency contacts readily available and document any concerning behavior immediately while the details are fresh in your memory.